think I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm perfect.
Yeah, what's going on, people? You know what I'm saying? I'm on the road right now, and whatnot, but I gotta get my downpipe put back on, bro. This shit, it doesn't sound shitty. Like, it sounds shitty to a point, but the only problem is that I'm having is, like, if I'm trying to turn my heat on, which, you know, if you up here in Michigan, you feel me, you know how it is when it get chilly outside. I be wanting to have the heat on, put it on my toes or something, you know what I'm saying? I can't even do that because the fucking fumes directly from my motors is right here inside the damn cabin, and you know, I can kill myself pretty much. But I gotta get this downpipe put on, so I'm gonna see if I can do that. If not, hopefully I can try it another day. But for right now, my car sounds like this, and the drone is just terrible. I can't wait to put it back on, bro, because once I do, I won't be smelling this, you know, 93 octane that I got in here, and I also won't be smelling, you know, that bro. I can't even describe to y'all how it smells. It just smells real nasty. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. Yeah, guys, you see who I'm hanging out with, and so yeah, I got the downpipe put back on. I forgot to record that. It sounds so much better. Like, I might have to do some pulls or something with my camera, like sitting on the ground or something, so y'all can hear that. But yeah, it sounds a lot better. Way better. And I don't feel like I'm killing myself because of the damn fumes from this, what you want to call it, open downpipe? Yeah. Shit. Yeah, that shit was terrible. I'm glad I put my damn downpipe back on. It sounds so much quieter. I mean, I still hear my turbo spool just a little bit. I can hear my intake just a little bit every time I let off the throttle. But other than that, nah, you know, yeah, man, it's crazy, bro. But anyway, we about to get into some stuff, me and my boy Cody. And yeah, man. Damn it! No, I'm playing. Yeah, we about to get into some stuff. So if you do enjoy this video, you know, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And like I said, all my vlogs is pretty much pre-recorded videos, and I just try to add everything together to make it look like, you know, I did everything according to plan to keep it on topic. So yeah, like I said though, you know, I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. So yeah. So yeah, as you guys see, the auto's on special. Approved by this guy here. But yeah, man, you know, 3-inch K&N filter, and then this little carbon fiber stuff, and we got some clamps holding this shit down real good. And there goes my secondary breather filter. We about to actually take this out soon and we're just gonna prop it to where it's like a whole heat shield. We're gonna try to, you know, do this junk the right way, but still custom made though. And then the only thing I gotta get rid of is just this. Once I get rid of this, I'll be pretty much A1. So, but yeah, man, I got a new motor in this damn thing. It's running. It's running. Like, bro, with this little intake we put on here, man, I think this ain't no hope. It's pulling a lot of air. Oh, you can close the hood. But yeah, man, fucking, what you say the temperature like? Yeah, like 70 something. It feel like it's mild 70. 60. Like 65, 66, some shit like that. But yeah, man, like I just touched my forehead, I forgot. Yeah. But yeah, fucking, that's what I got done to it so far. So, more stuff to come, trust me. A whole lot more stuff to come. And yeah, man, I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Oh man, that was a little one. Oh man. Woo.
Hey, you guys been party, what? Oh, y'all happy? We finally got there.